Hey guys, so do you know what a porcupine is? Can you say porcupine?
Porcupine.
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 Porcupine. So a way that we could put that in a sentence is that porcupine has needles all over its back. Okay, can you say porcupine again?
Porcupine.
Porcupine. Porcupine.
Porcupine.
So a porcupine is a really cute little animal that has needles all over its back and walks on all four legs. Okay? I'm going to show you a picture of a porcupine, and I want you to tell me what you think about it, okay? Do you think that this little guy is cute?
Yeah,
Okay.
I want one.
I don't know if you can see that. That's the picture that I showed them. Okay? So say porcupine one more time for me.
Porcupine.
Porcupine. Good job. Okay? So the next word is going to be musician. So if we're going to use that in a sentence, we say that musician is playing the guitar. Okay? Can you say musician for me?
Musician.
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 There we go. So a musician is someone who plays an instrument or sings. Okay? Who is your favorite musician? Cardi B. What about you, Aiden? Come on. Favorite musician. Who's your favorite singer? Or favorite guitarist? Or favorite drummer? Come on. I don't know who all the drummers are. We'll come back to that question for him. So say musician for me one more time.
Musician.
Musician. There we go. Okay. Now the next one is going to be magician.
Magician.
Can you say magician?
Magician.
There we go. So a way we could put that in a sentence is the magician pulled a rabbit out of a hat. Say magician one more time.
Magician.
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 There we go. So a magician is someone who entertains people, who makes people really happy using magic. Okay? Have you ever seen a magician do a magic trick?
One came to our school, and he pulled it. It was like the Yankee candle, and he had a light thing and he put in his ear, and then it went to the other ear.
Oh, okay.
I didn't.
You've never seen a magician? Okay, maybe this year you'll get one and come to your school. Okay,
Does
say
that come to any schools?
maybe. Say magician for me one more time.
Magician.
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 All right. There we go, guys.